the 2010 Chevrolet Avalanche. Find everything you want in a ride under one roof with this vehicle. A low odometer reading is a great advantage among other benefits offered on this ride. This vehicle has a solid and powerful engine. Navigation included to help you get to your destination with ease. Stand out from the crowd with premium wheels. Treat yourself to a premium sound system. Brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. Heated seats offer comfort in cold weather. Tailor the temperature to your preference and your passengers. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.